What up, Trusted Signals? In this video, I'm gonna show you the performance of this week using the breakout indicator that comes out July 31st, which is this Sunday. I've made 306 pips for the week, 2,000 profit using the breakout indicator plus the auto Fibonacci of Trusted Signals. So I'm going to show you how I like to use these tools and how I use my psychology and my analysis together with these tools to get these results, which you can too. So if you want to know how you can get this indicator, watch this to the end of the video so you can find out how you can save 65% and get access to the breakout indicator plus all of Trusted Signals indicators. I'm really excited to show you guys how I do this step by step, but please do not take this as financial advice. This is not financial advice. This is only for informational purposes and entertainment purposes only. So before you decide to make any financial decisions, please consult a financial advisor. So Trusted Signals, let's go! Alright, so let's start off with Monday. These are the trades I took on Monday based on the breakdown with Trusted Signals, and the best combination of indicators that I've seen so far with the breakout is the auto Fibonacci. So with the auto Fibonacci, we have red lines and blue lines based on our fib levels. And in short, the red lines are sell areas confirming possible short opportunities, and the blue lines are confirming possible long opportunities. And if you haven't seen our full videos of the auto Fibonacci, please do watch them in our previous videos. And pressing fast forward, let's say you see this breakout. Instead of taking it immediately, wait for a retracement like you see here, wait for price to come to the Fibonacci levels, and as long as these Fibonacci levels are staying red, going together with the trade idea, then you're pretty safe with holding that position, holding that trade idea, and letting the trade play out. Anticipate a pullback, in this case going short right at the fib level, putting the stop right behind here or the previous high and taking it down to these other levels. And for me, I just look left and I could see here is a take profit area, here and here. But another way of doing this, which helps a lot, is going into the settings, going down and turning on show support and resistance. Now, instead of basing your take profits with your own eye, you are given all these lines for you to take profit. So I'm actually just going to keep it right above right here. So just an example, this line right here. See, that's a nice area. And let's go ahead and see what happens. This is these trades again Monday. So their entry executed. You see the fib line. It's starting to turn blue. And as long as this 61.8 Fibonacci stays red, then we are good to go. And let's just press play. Let's go. So that was Monday. And if you guys want to see me actually executing the trades and hearing my thought process while being in the trades, please let me know in the comments so that way you could get a glimpse of my psychology with each position. That was Monday. Let's go ahead and check out this trade that happened on the 26th. That was on GJ. By the way, guys, the breakup can be placed on any pair, but it is intended for indices. Now, you can open the settings and change the open range timing to current time, thus giving you the same algo, but with whatever time you place here. And I actually did not use the breakout in this case. I actually bought before the buy signal right around here when I saw price was again at this area, previous support and resistance, anticipating a rejection. Based on the Trusted Signals auto support and resistance, having this as a major zone, I was more focused on here rather than these in the middle. So always remember to look left. Look left, see what you have, what data is available to you, and based on that, you can make your decision. Or at least, again, this is how I like to do it, not financial advice. And since I seen a major support and resistance line from Trusted Signals on the left, always remember, use the major ones as possible entries, especially if you look left and you see that they are very strong like these. Now I end up putting my stop in profit, and you could see here that's the stop in profit that was hit. I took partials, half of the position, and stop in profit, and moved on with my day. But if I would have held, that would have been a very, very nice trade. All good, I was already on to the next thing and looking at US 30 again. And now let's move on to the 26th of July, which was actually the biggest winning day of the week. I had one loss. Well, technically it was stop in profit, but the stop loss was too close to my entry, so that's why you see a negative $1.88. The market was extremely choppy this day, as you can see. But even throughout the choppiness, Fibonacci lines confirming bearish momentum. So overall, the breakout did go long-term in the right direction, but the amount of drawdown was a lot. So when I was in severe drawdown, seeing price continuously fail to push higher past the 38.2, I ended up entering again and going with the trade idea direction. And something to really watch out for, which I think is extremely important, is going into each session and looking at the higher time frames. For instance, I'm going to use this break up as an example. If we look at this point in time on the 4 hour, we are already at such a high point of such a bullish run. Look at this push. It's been going up for days. We've already actually made a higher high. So buying at higher highs is a big no-no. We would want to see a break up on the 5-minute, but instead at this very high point, way down here. So make sure that you're looking at the higher time frame, guys. It's absolutely crucial that you look at the higher time frames, because if you over leverage your trade and you're taking a long way up here, not realizing that you're already at a high point on the chart, there's no one to blame but yourself. So watch out for that, because look, I'm gonna press play. There was a breakup. Now watch this. It's going down. It's going down. So you don't want to get caught up in these type of trades. Well, I think that's all for now, guys. I hope this video helps, and remember, this indicator comes out July 31st, this Sunday, and the discount code for 65% off is going to expire August 1st. So you only have 3 more days to use the code breakout and save 65% on the lifetime membership. Trusted Signals, let's go.